Namaskar dosto, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to learn Chandra Namaskar or Moon Salutation. Moon Salutation is 16-step kriya which is best to perform in summers during the evening or on a full moon day, but it can be performed any day also. Chandra Namaskar helps in channelizing the lunar energy which has cool, relaxing and creative qualities. It is useful when energy or temperatures are high, like during summers, and we are seeking a cooling, quiet presence. It stretches spine, hamstrings and back of legs, while strengthening legs, arms, back and stomach muscles. Chandra Namaskar is extremely beneficial and brings harmony in life. It improves quality of sleep, gives relief in stress, anxiety and hypertension. It also pacifies Pitta Dosh and very good in regulating the hormones. This also gives relief in pre-menstruation symptoms, PCOS and PCOD.
So let's start doing it now. Find a calm and cool place. Stand on your mat in the center. Join your hands and raise it with inhale. Exhale. Bring both hands down to the sides. Inhale. Come in the center and exhale to your right side. Gently inhale and bring your hands in the center. Bring your left leg out. Bring both toes out. And while exhaling, goddess squats, your knees should be in line with your toes. Bring your arms to the shoulder line and left hand touching the toes, right, making a perpendicular line to the floor. Now gently with exhale, bring the other hand down, touching the toes and head as down as possible. Gently push the right leg out for a little low lunge and look up. From here, twist your ankle and sit in side sit-up pose, which is Skandasana. Gently move to the other side and access Skandasana to the right side. Now from here, low lunge. When you have left leg, stretch behind. And now keeping the legs straight, try to bring your forehead on the right leg. Gently keeping the right hand down, lift the left hand, arm making a perpendicular line to the floor. Gently exhale and goddess squat once again, taking care of your knees. With inhale, bring right leg in, stretch both arms to the right with exhale and then left. Bring palms in the center, making Namaste Mudra. Thank you.